Hello guys, how are you today? Today I want to show you how to install Kali Linux on virtual machine or using VirtualBox. This video is divided into steps. First we need to install VirtualBox, and second step then we install Kali Linux. So if you already have VirtualBox on your computer, just go to the timeline in the description and just go directly to install Kali Linux. Okay guys, here we go. First step, we need to check in Task Manager, right click in the taskbar, Task Manager, then we open, and then we need to look for performances here. And we need to look for something say virtualization enabled. If virtualization is not enabled, it's not possible to install VirtualBox. There will be an error when you're trying to install. So if you have any problem or issue trying to enable in the BIOS of your computer, you leave the comment. We're trying to help you as much as possible. Okay? Yeah, but take care of this one first, because otherwise you cannot install. Okay? Once you have this one set up, we go to internet and we're looking for VirtualBox downloads. Okay? So this is the Oracle VirtualBox downloads. In my case, I install in Windows. Okay, so depend which one that you're using. So in my case, Windows. That will be download. Depend of your internet speed, how long will be take. Okay. I will be advertising Windows. Yes. And then we start installing next. I set terms and conditions. Basically, by default, just doing this one. Okay. Next. Yes. Yes. Add the start menu, create a desktop shortcut. That's good. So next. Install. Okay, that's good. So we have the VirtualBox machine in the computer. Just leave it a moment, the opening. Here we go. So we have new machines. Open it. Okay guys, so this is the first step done. Now second step, we need to look for the Kali Linux version we want to install. So we look for on internet Kali Linux downloads. Here we go. So we say get Kali Linux. Kali Linux basically is when we're using for ethical hacking. Most of the people looking for this software to training himself, and it's a lot of guys on internet how you can use it. So this is a good for practice. Okay guys, never be in trouble, never be in trouble. I recommend that you always doing the right things. Okay, so here in this website we're looking for virtual machine, which is the easy way to do it. Okay, and you see here we have a VirtualBox. So simple like that. We just need to download. It's 3.6 GB. All depend of your internet connection. Okay guys, so we need to wait a little 1 minute to do it. Okay, remember guys, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, my people and me, I'm happy to solve all your questions as much as possible. It's not our responsibility what you're doing with your computer, but we can help you as much as possible. I'm happy to help you. It's not a problem. So just if you have a question, leave in the comment area. If we don't answer directly to you, probably one of the followers will be answered for you, but we're trying to keep you update in your cases. Okay, so it's almost done. This is a 7zip file, so probably you need to install in your machine if you don't have it 7zip. Okay, this is the software, but probably Windows already got it. Okay, so we go to the download folder, checking for the Kali Linux is here. I'm waiting for that one. We need to uncompress this one because this is a virtual machine already. It's ready to deploy. Just we need to wait, refresh, and probably it's done. Done. You see? Okay, guys, it's almost done. As you see previously, when I tried to download, Microsoft detected as a virus, but this is not virus. This is directly for the website. So if you have that message, you need to disable that one in your Microsoft antivirus or any antivirus that you have. But this is from directly for the website. And you open it. Let me check if Windows doesn't send me a message again. So we need to extract all. Okay, I will be open Windows like this. I will be in downloads, extract. Okay, here we go. You need to have at least 16 gigabytes free on your hard drive. Take, but help us with a like and follow up, please. Thanks, I appreciate it too much. So it's 15 seconds to finish. When we're done, we literally finish. So you see, have download, we have the folder, we have our folder, and that's the virtual machine. That is a VirtualBox machine. So now we open virtual machine. What we're doing is still like a create any virtual machine. We just say open, okay? Or open a safe virtual machine, any of those. So we're looking for the download Kali Linux, depend the path where you save it, open it, and that's straight away look based into gigabyte memory, 2 processor stacking, and everything's basically ready to turn it on. If you need to change this detail, you just go to settings, and then you can change the memory you want to 4 gigabyte or whatever you want. And you can system, display, you can modify everything as you like, okay? So Kali Linux, the password is Kali Kali. So let me start the machine and show you a little bit. So it's powering up the virtual machine. That take a little couple seconds. Here you go. You see? That's the virtual machine. I choose Kali. So password is Kali. Kali. Enter. Here you go, guys. So we successfully installed Kali Linux in a VirtualBox. So easy, no? So yeah, you have recognizing, initial access, execution. That's anything that you have it. You have your Firefox internally. So your network is not in risk, as you see. VirtualFix as website is construction, but you can navigate it. That is inside to your virtual machine. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I'm happy that you enjoyed this guide, and it's many things to check in this software, which is using for penetration tests. So have a nice day, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.